the plain bearings. We have spoken of the plain bearings. Now we have got also the thrust bearing. Why do we call the other bearings thrust, but they are all plain bearings? Why do we call the other ones thrust? The other ones are just plain bearings. But they all fall under the same category, plain bearings. Why? Who can try, class? Exactly. It's because the load or the force is in the axial direction of the shaft. When you look at the shaft is rotating this way, but the force is acting on the sides, trying to push the shaft on the sides. So the bearing is preventing the shaft from going further, from going away of the line. It holds it on the sides. So thrust is the force in the axial direction. Thrust is the force along the length of the shaft. Does it make sense? Okay. Yeah, the propeller shaft rotates. When you look at the wheels of the wheels, where you have got the CV joint, normally you find that to push the wheels on the sides, most especially when you are sliding on the sides, the bearing holds the force that is acting on the side. Or if you go to the car, you see where you connect the clutch kit. The clutch, the clutch plate. Now, you have got a thrust bearing that pushes when you press the brake, the pedal. When you press the pedal of your car, in order to change the gears, the clutch pedal, what you are pushing is the thrust bearing. And the thrust bearing pushes the pressure plate. So that thrust bearing, when it is pushing, it has got axial force along itself. Because they are like pushing each other like this. So there is axial force. That axial force is called thrust force. It's the thrust. Hence the bearing is called what? Thrust bearing, because the axial force, we consider it as thrust. Does it make sense? Okay. So, on the thrust bearings, we have got some of the bearings, they just use a single collar. Some bearings, they use multi-collars. Even this one, this bearing, the footstep, though they have put it on the plain bearing, it is a thrust bearing. Because what happens, the force is coming, and it's acting in a vertical direction, and as it is spinning, there is the thrust force, and also there is the forces on the side. So the footstep bearing can also fall under thrust bearing. But because it is a sleeve type, that's why they have pushed it on the plain bearing, but this one is on the thrust bearing. Okay, so that is on the plain bearings. These, they don't have rolling parts, it's just components. A single component, or splitted component, like that. That's what makes the bearing.